My name is Light and today I'm going to be installing Gentoo Linux. Why Gentoo, you ask? Well, two reasons. 1. A few days ago, L remembered my light prank about gods of death liking apples, and that now means anyone using an Apple product is now 10% more likely to be Kira. And 2. I'm not a Linux noob, try hard, so you won't catch me dead running Arch Linux. Let's begin. We'll start by setting up the partitions using CF disk. A single 30 GB partition in my case to show I have nothing to hide to L. I'll use XFS for the superior feature of Wethlinks, as everyone knows how good copy on write is. Okay, let's mount the drive to Mount Gentoo and then head over to www.gentoo.org/downloads/mirrors. I'm going to use the desktop stage 3 with System D today because I don't want any rotten OpenRC on my system. Anyone that disagrees with me will find themselves in the death note tonight, so I dare you to write something about that in the comment sections. Time to mount those pseudo file systems like proc, deb, sys and run, and finally chroot in. A quick image sync. And now to set up my make config to use my cflags, set my locales, and finally install the Linux kernel. Now to edit my fstab. I need to think of a hostname for this machine. Ah yes, the perfect cover-up. Install a bootloader. And finally install a desktop environment, gods of death like mate. This is going to take a while, so I'm going to see if L wants a tennis match.
Well, since it's our first match, why don't we just play a single set? First one to 6?
That's fine by me. Hey! Ah! Whoa, Ryuga, you sure don't mess around.
He who strikes first wins.
That's 4 games all. Light Yagmi to serve. Game and set! Won by Light Yagami!
All that is left now is to take my return key and hit it. There we go, one complete Gentoo install. If you're wondering about the background image, then there are two reasons. 1. GK Sudo supports great content creators, and 2. So there we go. L will never know I'm Kira now.
そうだ、僕がキラだ。